So in this video, we will continue solving the numericals. So this is from textbook. Question number 11. So two objects, each of mass 1.5 kg, are moving in the same straight line but in opposite directions. The velocity of each object is 2.5 meters per second before the collision, during which they stick together. So what will be the velocity of the combined object after collision? Okay. So first we will draw a figure to understand the numerical. So this is two objects, number one, number two, both are of same mass 1.5 kg and this is moving in this direction, we assume. So object 2 is moving exactly in the opposite direction. So the velocity of this, I will take it as plus 2.5 meters per second. Then this will be moving exact value but in the opposite direction. So that's why I put minus sign, meters per second. That means velocity has got two parameters. One is the value and the other one is the direction. Value is same in this case, but directions are different. This is from left to right, this is from right to left. So this I have selected as positive. So automatically this will become negative. So now I will write the given values. Mass 1, this object, M1 is 1.5 kg and U1, the velocity is 2.5 meters per second. And V1, after this stick together, it will be traveling with some velocity, let us assume first. So that I will call it as V, because both are stuck together, means both will have the same velocity. So this is, I'll assume it as V. So in the case of M2 is 1.5 kg, U2 is minus 2.5 meters per second and V2 is V, because both are stuck together same. So for this we can easily make out M, U and V values are there. So we have to use law of conservation of momentum. Okay, so the formula is M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. Now substitute the values. 1.5 into 2.5 M1 U1 plus M2 is 1.5, U2 is minus 2.5. So M1 is again 1.5, V1 is nothing but V. Similarly, this is also 1.5 V. So this this I will write it as plus 1.5 into 2.5. I will keep it as it is. Plus into minus, this will become minus 1.5 into 2.5. Here V is common, so I can write like this, V into 1.5 plus 1.5. Here you see this is plus 1.5 into 2.5, this is minus 1.5 into 2.5, so it will get cancelled and the result will become 0. And here this is 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3V. Therefore, V is equal to 0 by 3. 0 by anything is 0. So V is 0. 0. So the conclusion is like this. The combined object comes to a halt after collision. So these two will hit sorry, same mass and same velocity but only in opposite direction. When they come together, they will come and stop. That is, it will halt. So that's why velocity is 0. Okay.